You're looking at getting a Tormek T8. Here's what's in the box. I've been saving up for this for a while. I've been like doing an unboxing at night. It's midnight to be exact. To start off, they actually put right on the top, right underneath this is a little case for Band-Aids. They're expecting great things. So now this block right here looks like a sharpening stone, but it actually changes the grit of this stone right here. You got a smooth side and a rough side. I think it changes it from 220 up to 1,000 grit. I'd have to look into it a little bit more, but it's pretty cool how it works. You got your angle setter. You're going to set this on that little wheel right there and adjust it to be able to find or set the angle for your knife, pocket knife, or whatever you're sharpening. Two other things, don't know what they're called. I kind of have an idea what they do, but need to look into it more. I even include an edge marker. I've kind of talked about this before, but if you take a Sharpie and mark across that whole edge, and then you start sharpening, it removes the part of the Sharpie that's touching the stone, so that way you can tell if you're too high or too low. Then you got your little water tray. Then you got your sharpener. This is a lot bigger than it looked. It's a reverse thread, so lefty tighty, righty loosey. So with this, you're gonna adjust, and this is what you're gonna be sharpening your knives off of. On this kit I got, it also came with this. Inside that case, you got your knife jig. This is gonna run across the top of this bar. Thing with this one, it's also for your knives, except for it's a lot longer for either bigger knives or more flexible blades like fillet knives. Another thing of Band-Aid. This is for small knives. What you're gonna do is slide your small knife right in here, tighten that down, and then that one clamp, this one is gonna clamp onto that, and then you're gonna be sharpening like this. It needs to be higher, obviously, but you get the idea. This is your short tool jig, that's what it's called, but it's basically for little chisels and things. This, strange as it looks, is for hatchets. And then this two-piece part is scissors. I believe it's two-piece. We did get water, of course. I was spinning this and I was like, man, it's not even touching the water, but it says max water level. There's a knob. See that? It raises it. It's touching. Clever. See how wet that stone is? Dang, it sucks it in fast. But yeah, so basically you just keep it running until the stone stops absorbing water. Can't open it at midnight and not destroy at least one knife tonight. I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. Now with this, we're gonna set this one to the 250, because that's what this wheel is. And then this one is gonna go on the knife. It's not gonna work, that's like around 30 degrees. I went the wrong way. So let's see what happens. Okay, so here's the side I'm working on. This is what I was dealing with. You probably can't tell the difference right now. I can't really see. Let's touch up on the other side. Okay, there we go. That should be good. TikTok, this is knife sharpness testing paper. It's a specific type of paper meant for pocket knives. So I mean, like, that's just a test, nothing dangerous. And it goes smoothly through. Now let's see what the scale tells us. Let me go a little slower. Let me go slower. 90. That was slow too. The edge on this thing, it is steep. Do one more, and I'll try to go even slower. 95. No, that's 65, right? It's upside down for me. First test out of the box and everything. Probably did a few things wrong, and there's probably better ways to do certain things I did. But I mean, pulling it out and getting a 65, and I don't think I messed anything up. Pat myself on the back, because that has to be good. But I mean, my first thoughts and impression on this is it's absolutely worth the money. It's super fast, it works really good, and it's awesome. Tormek T8. But we're gonna do way more videos than just this. Thanks for watching.